everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to know about different medical and biological terminologies. Study of blood, hematology. Study of liver, hepatology. Study of fungi, mycology. Study of algae, phycology. Study of virus, virology. Study of kidney, nephrology. Study of cancer, oncology. Study of universe, cosmology. Study of fruits, pomology. Study of birds, ornithology. Study of bones, osteology. Study of eggs, oology. Study of dream, oneirology. Study of hairs, pathology. Study of eyes, ophthalmology. If you like this video, do like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon too. Thanks for watching.